Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to pair your speaker BOSE S1 Pro Plus with your PC. You have to start by press one time at the Windows button on your keyboard and then write Bluetooth. Now click Enter, and right here at the top you need to select Add Bluetooth or other device, and then Bluetooth. After that, at the back bottom of the speaker we have a power button. You need to press one time on this button to turn on the speaker. And we have this LED light, so we turn on it. After that, you need to press and hold at the Bluetooth button and until the LED light near to it start blinking. Here we go, and now we should see it at the device list. And here we go, we have it. Now click on it, not LE, just a normal, and then click Done. We did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!